Welcome once more to our channel. And in this episode, we will be talking about red lights and red flags that have spelt doom for most marriages, and are still doing so till tomorrow in most marital relationships around the world. Here are 16 major signs a marriage may most likely end up in divorce.
1. Cheating or infidelity. Infidelity remains a leading cause of divorce as it severely damages trust and emotional security in a relationship. When one partner violates the commitment of fidelity, it often results in deep emotional pain and a sense of betrayal. This breach can undermine the relationship's foundation, making it challenging for the injured party to regain trust or for the relationship to fully recover.
Psychological research shows that infidelity is not just a physical act, but a violation of emotional commitment and integrity, both essential for a healthy marital bond. Consistent with prior literature, infidelity was associated with an especially large increase in the odds of divorce, stated Paul Amato and Stacey Rogers, authors of the 1997 study.
2. Spending money foolishly. Financial disagreements are a significant source of marital problems, especially when one partner exhibits irresponsible spending habits. When one spouse makes financial decisions without consulting the other or ignores agreed-upon budgets, it can lead to resentment, stress, and ultimately, marital breakdown. This issue often reflects deeper problems of respect, communication, and shared goals within the relationship.
Researchers have even developed a financial infidelity scale to measure the problem. It includes items like, if I really wanted to purchase something but my partner did not approve of the price, I would consider buying it anyway and not telling them, and sometimes I pretend to be saving money, when, in reality, I am not.
3. Drinking and/or drug use. Substance abuse, including excessive drinking or drug use, can put immense strain on a marriage and is frequently cited as a precursor to divorce. Substance use disorders can alter behavior, impair judgment, and lead to emotional instability, creating an unsafe or unpredictable environment in the relationship. Moreover, substance abuse often correlates with financial strain, domestic violence, neglect of responsibilities, and emotional distance, all of which contribute to marital dissatisfaction and conflict. 4. Jealousy. Jealousy, whether from past experiences or current insecurities, can harm a relationship by fostering mistrust and controlling behaviors. Excessive jealousy often stems from low self-esteem, fear of abandonment, or unresolved trauma, leading to obsessive thoughts, accusations, and attempts to control the partner's actions. Over time, jealousy can suffocate intimacy and erode the emotional connection between partners, making reconciliation difficult without addressing the root causes. Interestingly, the study found that husbands were more likely than wives to cite jealousy as a significant relationship strain, which is consistent with the finding that husbands reported fewer marital problems overall than wives.
Therapy aimed at building self-esteem, improving communication skills, and fostering trust can help couples navigate jealousy constructively and strengthen their relationship.
5. Moodiness. Chronic moodiness or emotional volatility can create an unpredictable, intense atmosphere at home, straining marital relationships. Mood swings, whether due to mental health conditions or situational stress, can lead to frequent conflicts, emotional distancing, and difficulty in resolving disputes calmly.
When one partner's mood fluctuations dominate the relationship dynamics, the other can feel emotionally neglected or constantly on edge, contributing to marital dissatisfaction and potential breakdown.
6. Irritating habits. Over time, seemingly minor habits or behaviors that were once endearing or tolerable can become significant sources of irritation and tension in a marriage. Whether it's leaving dirty laundry around, constant lateness, or persistent forgetfulness, these habits can erode patience and goodwill between partners. What starts as mild annoyance can escalate into frequent arguments or emotional distancing if left unaddressed.
Couples therapy often focuses on improving communication skills and negotiation strategies to address these issues constructively, fostering mutual understanding and compromise. Addressing problematic habits early can prevent them from becoming entrenched sources of conflict that contribute to marital dissatisfaction and, potentially, divorce.
Seven, lack of communication. Effective communication, both verbal and nonverbal, is vital for a healthy marriage. It is the bedrock of every relationship, even outside marriage. When couples stop sharing their thoughts, feelings, and experiences, whether on important or vain issues, they may become disconnected. This lack of communication can lead to misunderstandings, unresolved conflicts, and emotional distance. 8. Constant criticism. Frequent criticism, as opposed to constructive feedback, can erode a partner's self-esteem and create a hostile environment. When one partner feels constantly attacked or belittled, it can lead to resentment and a breakdown in the relationship. 9. Stonewalling occurs when one partner withdraws from a conversation or refuses to engage in discussions about important issues. This behavior can frustrate the other partner and prevent the resolution of conflicts, leading to a buildup of unresolved issues and emotional distance. This can make the hearts drift apart. 10. Contempt involves displaying a lack of respect for one's partner through sarcasm, ridicule, or hostile humor. It is one of the most destructive behaviors in marriage, as it conveys a sense of superiority and disdain, which can deeply hurt the other partner and undermine the relationship. 11. A decline in physical and emotional intimacy can signal trouble in a marriage. Intimacy is crucial for maintaining a strong bond between partners. When it diminishes, couples may feel disconnected and unloved, leading to dissatisfaction and potential infidelity. 12. Growing apart. Over time, couples may find that their interests, goals, and values no longer align. This divergence can lead to a feeling of growing apart and a sense of incompatibility. When couples stop sharing common interests and experiences, they may struggle to maintain a strong connection. 13. Unresolved conflict. Every relationship has conflicts, but it's the way couples handle them that matters. Persistent unresolved conflicts can fester and lead to resentment. When couples cannot find a way to resolve their disagreements, it can create ongoing tension and emotional distance. 14. Lack of support. Feeling unsupported by one's partner can lead to feelings of loneliness and frustration. In a healthy marriage, partners should support each other's goals, dreams, and challenges. A lack of support can make one feel undervalued and disconnected from the relationship. 15. Different parenting styles. Differences in parenting styles can create significant conflict in a marriage. If partners cannot agree on how to raise their children, it can lead to constant arguments and tension. These disagreements can strain the relationship and create a hostile home environment, which may not be good both for the marriage and for the children. 16. External stressors. External stressors such as job loss, financial problems, or health issues can put immense pressure on a marriage. If couples do not have effective coping mechanisms or support systems in place, these stressors can exacerbate existing problems and lead to marital breakdown. Addressing these issues early through open communication, counseling, and mutual effort can help prevent a marriage from reaching the point of no return.
If you enjoyed this video, tell us in the comment section below if there are other signs you think we didn't capture, and any other topic you will like us to explore in our future marriage, love, and relationships videos. Thank you for watching, and please remember to hit the like button, share our video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos.